My loyal subjects, people of the Western provinces, I come here before you with great news. I have assured that peace and prosperity will be ensured within our kingdom. As you all know, things between the Dwarven people and us have been tense. But as we move forward, things will improve. Both of our kingdoms will become one. As your beloved queen, I have consulted with my personal friend, Ambassador Darius. The ambassador has assured that we in the Dwarven Kingdom have no longer need to quarrel over matters such as the trade routes. He has assured that our kingdoms can work in harmony. In accordance with this newfound pact, I will be sending our ambassador Tyron to continue the terms of our agreement. As always, Tyron has been loyal to the service of the kingdom, and with this new trust between us and the dwarves, it shall be entrusted to him to extend our connection. Thank you. My people, as your queen, I strive to be the ruler you all deserve, and with this newfound pact, hopefully, I have done a small part to further better our kingdom. You fill my heart with your praises, my humble subjects. It warms me to see you all amassed before me, and I promise you all, I will reward your loyalty so that we can become united.